Welcome back to Cotton Creations. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my Biscoff cookie pancake crunch tacos. And these are also delicious, can be enjoyed any time of the day. So first things first, we got to get our pancake batter. Of course, you know I'm going to be using the Cotton Creations pancake and waffle mix for this. And I'm just going to prepare the batter as it is instructed on the back of the bag. And then after that, we'll go ahead and get our cookie crumb together. So of course I'm going to be using Delta cookies. Well, that's the other name for them. The real name for them is Biscoff cookies. I'm just going to put them in a food processor or blender and get those crunched up and then pour them into a bowl. Then we're going to make our glue that's going to help the cookie stick to the pancakes. So I'm just doing a quick vanilla glaze using some powdered sugar, some vanilla extract, and a little bit of unsweetened, unflavored almond milk. So you can use any plant-based milk that you want. You could even use water if you don't even have almond milk to make a glaze. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spoon the glaze on. So in a thin layer. Now, if you like things that are super sweet, go ahead and just dunk the whole bottom side of the pancake into the glaze. But I like to balance the flavors out and not have it too sweet because there's a lot of sweet things happening already. So I just put a thin layer. Like I said, this is going to act as the glue to get the cookies to stick to your pancake. And sometimes you might have some spots that you see. So if you do, just, put it back in the cookie crumb and try to get those spots filled in. You could also sprinkle it on with your hands just to make sure. But you definitely want to make sure you get a good coating of the Biscoff cookies onto your pancake. And then after that, you're just going to repeat these steps till all your pancakes have the cookie crumb on them. Then we're going to fold them up like tacos, and we're going to use True Whip today, but any vegan whipped cream will do for this recipe. And then I had to take a trip to the store and get some Biscoff cookie butter. I got the creamy one, not the crunchy one. And what I'm doing here is I'm just going to put it in a microwave safe bowl. I'm going to microwave that until it thins out. And then I'm just going to drizzle it on top. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this recipe. The recipe is in the description box down below. And if you like this video, make sure you give your girl a thumbs up. Okay, till next time. Thanks for watching.